Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get unlimited coins on Netboom. So as you can see, this is my current amount. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins and let's see if it goes up. So this is obviously the Netboom mod, so it's not going to be normal Netboom app, but let's see if we get unlimited coins added to our account. Hopefully it does work, guys, and then we will be rich. So it says they were activated, so let's see if there is a change on the account. And I don't see a change. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it works on 2025 iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later, but let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just go onto tweakmod.com and just type netboom, press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. This is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So let me just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a second to load up. Should be all good to go. So let's just see what happens. So yeah, just letting it load. So yeah, super cool, guys. So we'll just wait for this to load. All right. So anyway, as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. So like Scanner app says search and install. Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. Family Island says reach level 10. So you could do any of these. So just make sure you download 2 of them. I'll see you later, but that's how to do it. Lucky Match, reach level 11. So super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. Super cool, guys. 2025 approved. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you in another one. Be subscribed to the channel. And peace out, my brotherhood.